Wow, guys, check out this. This factory is incredible. If you have the resources and you are looking for something to invest, I think this kind of factory will be a very good idea because billions of homes in Africa use electric farms. This will create job opportunity for thousands of people and also reduces cost in the aspect of importation, because when you import all these things, the money you will be selling them will not be the same amount, when all these things are being produced or manufactured in our home country or in your home country. You understand me? Because the money you spend for the importation, you got to add it when selling them. Yeah, that means the cost will increase. So this will not only give thousands of people employment, it will also bring wealth to the region, to the nation, and enhances economic growth. The way I see this, I believe it's not that difficult. Many of our local electricians, they can do this if they have the right equipment. Africa governments should also look into this and create jobs opportunity for her people. We Africans should adapt to the system of production, not just consumption alone. God bless Africa. That is it, guys. Anyways, drop your thought in the comment section and share this video to as many as you can. Stay blessed.